Welcome guys, in this video I am with the HUAWEI Nova 10 SI and I'm going to show you how camera pro mode looks in this smartphone. Okay, so first of all, to open the pro mode, open the More tab and then click right here. Next, I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you'll find description of every feature that you can find. So for example, if you don't know what is going on with the shutter speed, there's the note that we can set exposure time manually. We have to keep the device steady during exposure to avoid blurring the photo. Of course, it's about the long exposure time. So when you set the exposure, like for example for the 3 seconds, your phone will be able to get more light from the background, but it will take photo in 3 seconds. So you have to keep your phone steady because every move will blur the photo. So yeah, that was this very simple information. We can start from this panel right here. At the first, we got spot metering. As you can see with the last one, we can get the best lighting condition is the center metering. You can set 3 options manually. The another one, it's ISO. We can set it between 100 or 6400 and also automatically. Next, we can find shutter speed. We can set it for 8 seconds or 1.4000 and automatically. Here we can find the exposure compensation, and that's the only parameter that we can adjust manually. That's a -2 and a +2, so you can decide how to get it. Next, we can find the focus. So it's autofocus, autofocus continuous, and manual focus. So right now every object will be in the focus that is close to the lens, but when I set it up like that, every object will be out of the focus when it's close. So we have to just move the phone like that, far away from the object, and right now it will be in the focus. Let's say with the autofocus, and the last option is the white balance. We can find right here 4 presets and also this manual slider between 8000 and 2000. We can also set it up automatically. In this place we can enable the flashlight, and that's it for the pro mode on the HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.